up, guys? Moderate Mods here, and today I am doing part 2 of this Amazon cheap mods thing that I'm doing here. This is going to be 2 of 3 that I'm doing today, and this one here, if you haven't already, you should definitely know what this is. These are those kind of those trunk spoiler things that they sell on eBay, Amazon. I picked this thing up off the Amazon one-day shipping. Got it in about spent about 21 bucks or so after tax, and it's a carbon fiber one to go with the carbon fiber already installed on the car there. And it's got 3 of them backing, it looks like, as well as, if you can see in there, 2 little caps that you go ahead and install in there as well. So that's pretty nice to kind of finish out that flush look. But very easy tape on mod here, cheap, really will change the look a little bit there. So let's get straight to the action, guys, and hope you enjoy. All right, guys, so once you open up your packaging, you're gonna wanna kind of look and measure out how much of it you really need. And I'm gonna be beating mine right along the lip here. And looks like I'm only gonna need about this much. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little bit short on each end so I can use the caps, because I don't think it's gonna look right if I use one cap on one side and not a cap on the other. So just gonna mark with a pen here or wherever you need to cut, and then make your cuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pen, mark where I need to cut, and then get the cut. And before proceeding to your next cut, what you want to do is you just want to, after making that first one, go ahead and lay it down so you can know and definitely make sure that you're cutting the right amount. You definitely don't want to get caught up and cut out the wrong amount. And like I said, I'm going to be going along here, kind of just going over what I already have with my logo and whatnot, right up against the lip here. There that was, guys. Definitely recommend doing that with somebody else. Overall, I like the outcome. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, it doesn't look like amazing, but that's just an honest review, guys. I mean, it looks like you would expect $20 to look. It doesn't look too crappy, but it doesn't look like spot on, flawless. But it does line good. It does mold very well. It is very malleable, so you can kind of move it however you want to move it. And once you get it stuck down, it does hold a nice straight line along the spoiler tip, like you saw in that footage back there. So, hey, but for 21 bucks, I like it. Does the job, and I finally got myself a little roof spoiler. So, or not, well, I guess you could call it like a back roof spoiler, whatever you want to call it, but little spoiler. So I do enjoy it, and hopefully it lasts for a while, so we'll see what happens. But this is day 1 of it, and I do hope you guys enjoyed this install and this little quick tidbit mod here. Again, link down below. Check it out, guys, and until the next one, peace.